Urgent. A high-speed milling spindle comes to a dead stop mid-cycle. The sparks fade, and the shop floor goes completely quiet. That sudden silence indicates an idle machine eating into your operating margins. Every minute that spindle sits waiting for raw material, a promised delivery date for a key client moves further out of reach. This situation often traces back to the procurement phase. A supplier offers a reduction in upfront pricing, but they lack the logistics to guarantee their delivery times. The small savings on the initial invoice are lost the moment the shop floor is forced to wait. Talk to any toolroom manager, and they will explain that their biggest hurdle is rarely machining capability or engineering talent. The real choke point is the friction of sourcing reliable inputs. Operating with an unpredictable supply chain creates a cycle of reactive decision-making.
When delivery dates become suggestions, the shop loses its ability to schedule work efficiently, which damages its market position and the trust of its customers. Despite these operational risks, the procurement conversation frequently stalls on the upfront price tag. Buyers often overlook the total operational value that comes with material reliability. This text from a sales psychology framework suggests that when buyers push back on price, it is an indicator of active engagement. They are seriously considering the product, but they require clarification on the specific benefits of the purchase. Reframing the terminology clarifies the nature of the transaction. Describing a material as premium grounds the negotiation in the acquisition of a specific high-performance asset that meets exact technical requirements. However, psychological reframing requires physical evidence to be effective. To justify the procurement strategy, a supplier must provide undeniable proof that their logistics can sustain the manufacturing schedule. This photograph shows the inventory floor at Alma Steel and Alloys in Pune. The volume of dark rectangular steel bars on these shelves provides physical proof of their ready stock claim, a deliberate buffer against supply chain friction. Many of these blocks are cold work tool steels. These grades are specifically engineered for environments where metal must endure heavy, repetitive loads over long production runs without deforming. This image shows the distinct white end caps used to identify the CR12 MOV grade. This is a letiborite steel prized for its high hardenability and wear resistance, making it essential for complex tools like deep drawing dies and industrial circular saws. Guaranteed immediate access to these exact materials means a machine shop can maintain its production velocity. This inventory acts as a firewall against the delays that stop a shop floor. The requirements are even more stringent for hot work applications. Forming precision extrusion dies requires alloys with high toughness and fatigue resistance to withstand extreme repeating thermal stress. This datasheet specifies the heat treatment protocol for H13 chromium steel. It mandates a preheating phase at 816 degrees Celsius, followed by a direct heat increase to 1010 degrees, which is necessary to lock in the steel's structural integrity. A different set of metallurgical challenges arises in plastic mold manufacturing. Molds require internal channels for cooling water, and in high humidity environments, those channels are susceptible to hidden corrosion and pitting. This sheet for 1.2316 stainless mold steel highlights better resistance to rust and pitting, protecting cooling channel integrity. The Industry Served section shows why this purity is required. Medical disposables and automotive plastics demand a superior surface finish. Specifying H13 for an extrusion die or 1.2316 for a medical mold is only effective if the supplier can guarantee the certified, authentic grade exactly when it is needed. That reliability depends on the supplier's floor capabilities. Almas handles custom block preparation and precision bandsaw cutting directly in-house, alongside their storage operations. Combining certified technical authenticity with ready stock and immediate cut-to-size dispatch addresses the primary causes of production delays. This focus on technical validation and ready stock establishes material procurement as a deliberate investment in production uptime. High-quality material acts as a down payment on a stable, predictable production cycle. This logo represents Almas's role as a provider of alloys, carbon, and tool steel. To protect your most valuable client relationships, you must first secure your material base. In the tight margins of modern manufacturing, delivering on time every time is the ultimate competitive advantage.